Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add email and phone quick action button for mobile layout in Wix website. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and we are in mobile layout. Now you see, and we are going to add email and phone for quick action button for mobile layout so user can contact us easily. So that button will display on mobile layout. On left side you see mobile too, so click on it and then you see quick action bar. Let visitor take action on your site fast. So click on add to site plus icon. Now you see edit and then you see setup quick action. So we are going to delete Facebook because we are going to only show phone and email. Remove and then you see phone. So click on setup. Now you see setup, rename, remove. So click on setup. So we are going to add phone number. So this is our format. So we are going to add it. So we added number and then you see people who reach your site on mobile or tablet can click this link to call you. So click on done. And then you see email. So click on it, setup. So you can add your email address and email subject. So we added email and subject and then click on done. If you want to add more action quick button, so click on it. Now you see multiple options. So you can add WhatsApp address and then you see settings. So click on it. If you want to show label, yes. If you want to hide label, no. So do you want to show label? So we select no. And then you see layout, left, right. Now you see. And then you see design. Discover more action bar. Now you see multiple layout. So you can select according to requirement. Now you see layout. If you want, you can customize design. So click on it. Now you see color scheme for open. Color scheme black, white, grayscale color. Invert color scheme for close. Now you see this for open. And then you see border, shadow. So you can do color scheme according to requirement. Now you see layout again. So click on it. Click on design again. So we are going to use this format. Now you see. And then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to mobile layout in Wix. So this is a mobile layout and refresh the page. So we are in mobile layout and then you see phone, email. So when we scroll down or up, you still see this quick action button on mobile layout. Also you see on tablet also. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.